All right, so we are in the bird seed section. This is the best place you could be for farming. Look at all this. You got corn, wheat seed, sunflower seed, milo, millet, oats.
I wonder if we ate that 250 every year because that bird seed.
Oh no, that's probably all pork fat. But look at all this.
Yeah, same much.
Yeah. But if you get that, just toss that out in your yard. You could have your own farm started off of just one bag for $10.
Yep. Yeah, there's probably enough there to do 2 acres.
Yeah. You got the songbird, parakeet, hamster, squirrels, corn, wheat, sunflower seed, all different types of things, and they're all perfectly able to be grown. So yeah, I'm gonna plant some of them. Already planted some of them.